away from our parents.
Riwruoge mag jotich pacho ka kwa piny owacho mondo mi oket maine neno ni chenro mag keyo sitima otime yo makare kendo kelo fuong'ruok nengo mar sitima. Kane gitwa kod komiti mateko e bura kawuono, riwruoge go golo ywak ni medruok nengo sitima kinde ka kinde thiro chenro mag loso mwandu kod ohala e pacho ka. Gidwaro ne piny owacho mondo mi odin fuok mar mibadhi e migaono mar teko.
We lead to commercial losses by Kenya Power. Kenya Powers must streamline its procurement process to hasten procurement of critical materials and remove a lot of vested interests in procurement. This one must be done, and we want also to appeal to government, those well-connected people who own IPPs. Their names should be made public so that Kenyans can know them and make sure that electricity is more cheaper.
Those who are stealing from Kenyans are fellow Kenyans who worked at the Ministry of Energy. The owners of these companies worked in the Ministry of Energy. And that is why you find a company like Thika Power, you've already paid them capacity charge, you're finished with them. They're still saying that even after the Kenyans are paid for the electricity, they want to own that company. It's not possible.
As a workers' representative, as a big body that actually where most Kenyans feel the heat, if there could be any way that we could partner in such a manner that we can be able to come up with conditions that may make these people vary or may make these people forgo some of what they're being paid, at least I think at that point the Kenyan might have some reprieve. But as the matter stands right now, and it will be even worse if there shall be any other IPPs going into signing these contracts now, because the heat is already felt.
Twak podhi nyime e wi nonro mar kuo penj mar KCSE